Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am driving right now in my car. I am getting ready to decorate a bridal shower event. The theme is sunflowers. Very nice. And these sunflowers, I made them not years, but a long time ago. And I am going to my mom's house to drop off Victor and Nicole so I can have full focus on my backdrop and all that I need to do over there. I will try to show you as much as I can and explain as much as I can like usual. And if you want to see what is happening, stay tuned. Hey guys, I decided to chat with you because there were a lot of people here and now no one's here, so let's chat. So I'm basically taking three layers of my paper and I am putting my pin with the pearl on top through those three layers and going to my fabric and pinning as I showed you a little bit earlier, like an up close. So that's what I'm doing. This fabric is 100% polyester. I bought this at my local discount fabric store. Very good fabric store at very good prices. I paid $1.25, I believe, per yard. And it's a very, very nice deal in my opinion. They will give you even more off if you buy a whole bolt of fabric. So that's nice. This backdrop of mine, or backdrop frame, is 8 feet wide and 7.5 feet tall. This backdrop was made out of PVC pipes by my brother-in-law for his wedding. After their wedding, I've been asking them constantly to use this frame for baby showers, bridal showers, events, different events, and at the end of all that, I think they got sick of it a little bit, because I've been calling them non-stop. They just gave it to me and told me to use it. So that's how I got this backdrop frame. I am planning on retiring this structure because I want something more stable and more heavier, you know, heavy duty. So I want to take my dad and make this metal frame out of metal for my backdrops. You guys, I can't speak today. For my backdrops, it would be so much easier, and I will feel a lot better and calmer, because one of the bridal showers I was sprinting through the whole venue, through the whole room to catch this thing once. So I want something stable. So let's finish this up. They've been laying so long, you guys, without use, and I kind of stacked them one on top of each other. Even though tissue paper is light, it still weighs the tissue down if you put something on top. Even though you put a second sunflower on top of the other, it will kind of squish the top of your sunflower. So I'm trying to fluff it up and then place it on my backdrop. If I don't do that, then my tissue paper will rip while I'm going to be trying to be fluffing them up on my backdrop. So I'm doing fluffing before pinning. Not to spill these. You guys, we're done. I just need to pick up a few things of mine and I am good to go home. These sunflowers, as I said, they are super old and they are finally getting their first outing out of my basement. So this is amazing. The theme for this bridal shower, obviously sunflowers, so very cute. So she's gonna sit on this bench opening presents, and then we have this thing with like opening here so people can put cards and, you know, envelopes over here. And then we're missing a vase with sunflowers right next to it. It's gonna be added tomorrow. And right here is 80, no, not 80, 56 sunflowers on my backdrop. Here is the look of the place where the bridal shower is going to take place. Someone asked me in my live videos what I do with my LED uplighting. Here's what I do with them. I put them on walls or I put them behind my backdrops. Very useful. There's a whole bunch of pictures of the bride and groom to be. And there is one more uplighting over there. We have 2 jars of candy, just like a game, and yeah, just to make it a little bit prettier in that corner. Oh. Hey guys, day 2. So I am going there earlier. I need to finish up a few things like putting up burlap that was added last minute to the decor. And overall, we're done. Oh, one more thing, I need to put in flowers in the vase. And you guys, I'm going back home because I forgot a present. How can I do that? Or how could I have done that? I have no idea. So let's finish whatever I need to do right now and let's go to the place. that's it, you guys. This is it. Everyone stays to help clean, and I need to pack these sunflowers into my car. Again, I'm just taking them down, taking the pin out, and yeah, wish me luck. It's gonna be one interesting ride home. How did you do that?
Nice.
We couldn't make it happen.
Oh,
Oh no. That's why I wanted to film this. That's why I wanted to film this.
I'm not made for videos. We had this discussion on Friday. I'm wearing short shirts and I didn't even do my hair, so leave. Все.
Try number 2.
Alright, what do you want me to do? Turn it on? Без проблем? Да. Зараз я вам все покажу. Жінкам все покажу. Куди покрутити? Зараз покажу.
Will this vacuum survive?
Настя, тебя научу сегодня как пылесосить.
I'm home and finally I can unload. You can't really see me, but this is how I unload. I am all done and packed in my basement. Again, this is absolutely improper way to store your paper, flowers, or tissue paper or anything like that. You're supposed to have a box, put a flower at the bottom, have a piece of cardboard on top that would kind of like hang like a shelf, and then a flower again, and then shelf and flower and shelf and flower, and until you're done packing all of them, so they wouldn't, you know, wrinkle and they wouldn't become flat. So in my case, I am just fluffing them up, and that's about it.